Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to give you an explanation about changes in PTE, time duration in PTE changes, and the score guide has been also changed. There is some kind of launching for PTE academic online test which is totally based on your convenience. The test is going to be authorized for study visa only. For other visa it is not authorized right now. For other visa you have to take enroll in PTE academic. So now we are going to moving ahead for PTE academic. What are the changes in PTE academic? Now the PTE academic is getting shorter. The PTE academic including UKVI, which is only built for UK visas, will be a 2-hour test. PTE academic and PTE academic UKV visa, UKV is going to be 2-hour test, and there is launching an Proctor test PTE academic online. So when will be going to these changes is November 16th of 2021. Now the question is, if the PTE academic is going to be shorter, then there will be a scoring criteria changes. No, there is no scoring criteria are changing. There will be only time changes. So you have to be manage your time management before appearing the PTE exam. Now what is changing in PTE academic? Test duration, score reports, preparation resources. So the test duration is going to be changed from 3 to 2 hours. The score reports is going to change, and enabling skills will be not longer being shown in your score reports after 16th of November. There are some changes in preparation resources. There has been a updated PTE official app. Some resources and web pages are available to prepare your test. There has been some no changes in types of questions in the test, reliability and validity of the score. There is no changes in question types and validity of the score. Why these changes? Everything is based on research. Before launching this shorter test, the research team analyzed the test format against tens of thousands of test takers' results. The questions presented and the skills and traits tested within the test continue to provide test takers with highly accurate and reliable scores. PTE academic results continue to be accepted by thousands of institutes worldwide for study, migration and professional applications. Testing commenced November 16th of 2021. So the PTE academic, the same grade test but shorter. Accurate and reliable score, fast results, convenient and flexible testing. Now in between your 2 hours testing time, what are the changes and modules? There has been some changes in between your module overall timing. Like in introduction part there has been no changes, but speaking and writing part has been changed from 77 minutes to 93 minutes to 54 minutes to 67 minutes. So before you are giving test for speaking and writing, you will getting 77 minutes to 93 minutes, but now you will get 54 minutes to 67 minutes for speaking and writing section. For reading part, you were getting 32 minutes to 41 minutes, but now you are going to get 30 minutes to 29 minutes for reading section. There were 10 minutes optional break for PTE academic exam, but from now there has been no break schedule for PTE exam. So after reading, your listening will be continued for 30 to 43 minutes. Before you were getting 45 to 57 minutes. Now moving ahead to the item types of changes. What are the changes in item type? Speaking and writing item types has been changed for describe image, written lecture, answer short question and summarize written text only, and the rest items will be the same. So what are the changes in describe image? There were 6 to 7 images appearing, but now you will get 3 to 4 images. For written lecture, there were 3 to 4 written lecture, now you will get 1 to 2 lectures. For answer short questions, there were 10 to 12 questions, you will get 5 to 6 questions. For summarized written text, there were 2 to 3 questions, but now you will get 1 to 2 questions, and the overall timing will be 54 to 67 minutes for speaking and reading section. Moving to the next part, the reading section. In the reading sections, there are only slight change and multiple choice multi answer and multiple choice single answer. In multiple choice multi answer, you were getting 2 to 3 items, now you will get 1 to 2 items. And multiple choice single answer, you will get 2 to 3 answers, but now you will get 1 to 2 answers. The rest will be same. For overall reading section, you will get 29 to 30 minutes. For listening part, there are some changes in summarize spoken text, multiple choice multi answer, highlight correct summary, multiple choice single answer and select missing words. There were all the items 2 to 3 you were getting. Now you will get 1 to 2 items in all of the item type. But for fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect word, write from dictation, you will get same item types. For overall timing will be 30 to 43 minutes. As I discussed with you that scorecards or score reports will be going to change. There will be a slight change in score reports. Your score reports will no longer to show enabling skills. You were getting skills enabling in your score reports, but after 16th of November you are not able to see your enabling skills. So what kind of changes will benefit this? The score report will be updated to make scoring information clearer. It means that without enabling skills, there will be the information will be clearer. So for PTE academic test preparation, The test takers can continue to prepare the test in same way as they are preparing. Number 1. What to expect from PTE Academy? A free step-by-step video guide detailing every type of questions within PTE Academy. Get specialist help. Access introduction to PTE Academy. A guided course with expert advice to understand the test better. Online scored practice test. A full 2-hour simulation of PTE Academic with the mock test report within 20 minutes after the test completion. So the PTE Academic resources are being updated. The resources are also going to be updated as time by time. You have some kind of resources like downloading the app of official PTE Academic will help you to prepare your exam. There are some question banks for practice. Use an official PTE course book. Take a course in free online courses provide guided learning, advice and practice. Sorry. There has been some. Now going to introduce PTE Academic Online. What is that? This is a new version of PTE Academic which helps us to give the exam in our convenience. It is reliable as same as PTE Academic but convenient for us. Why? Before we get to go for PTE Academic in a physical exam center, this test will help you to give this exam at our home, at our premises. So now PTE Academic Online is a conventional and reliable at-home testing solution powered by OnView, Pearson VUE's secure testing software. Pearson has tied up with OnView which helps them to get testing software which helps to make online test platform. The Pearson VUE are experts in online test delivery, having delivered more than 2 million online proctored exams worldwide, with their online test delivery increasing more than 300% since the start of pandemic. OnView is the expert which helps to deliver the exam online. How it will work? The PTE Academic Online Basics. The PTE Academic is identical to the shortened version of PTE Academic exam in content and difficulty. Testing is available in most locations worldwide. PTE Academic online test fee is the same as local test centers delivered tests. Head to the PTE Academic website to learn more. PTE Academic Online is not accepted by government for visa applications. With visa applications like PR work permit. Okay. The test bookings will be open from October of 25th and the testing will begin from 16th of November. You are able to book this exam on 25th of October, but you will get a slot of the exam in November 16th. So why you choose PTE Academic Online? This test is widely accessible. Test centers can impose a barrier to access. Online testing offers less control over the user's environment but vastly improves access to test takers in a variety of different situations. Where test centers are closed, where test centers are far away and costly, where test takers have medical needs. So what does it mean? Overall mean is that the PT Academic is going to make a platform, online platform, which will help us in a pandemic situations. Right now we are in pandemic, so every business has been shut it down, but the PT is going to prepare itself for future deal. If we face any kind of pandemic, any kind of barriers in our daily life, then PT Academic Online will work for you. So there will be no barrier to access. Means that if you face any difficulty to reach physical location, then you have a platform to give the exam online. Now moving ahead to its security measures, PT Academic Online uses an ideal combination of AI and human input to deliver a best-in-class secure remote proctoring solution, including identity checks are carried out by AI and supported by a check-in process with on-view human greeter. It means that once the test begins, your identity checks will be carried out by AI and supported by check-in process with an on-view human greeter. You will be checked by on-view before your exam, before 15 minutes of your exam. The proctor can communicate with the test takers and revoke the exam in the case of suspicious activity. Note that if any suspicious activity has been happened from your side, your exam will be cancelled or hold on for short time to get this details or to be check the all activities. Okay, suspicious activity will also be reviewed after the test and scores can be held or revoked. Means that these suspicious activities will be reviewed after the test and your score will be held or cancelled. Okay, proctor are globally based and randomly assigned. There is no break in the standard test. So it means that there is no break in the standard test. The test content and difficulty is the same. PT Academic Online is identical in content and item types as the regular PT Academic test across the 4 skills of English language proficiency, speaking, listening and reading and writing. The test is 2 hours in duration, scored in the same way as the PT Academic and reports on the same scale. Online format indicate the on-score reports. What is the testing process? The test takers experience. To complete PT Academic Online, a test takers need a quiet private locations. Means that you need a private room, a reliable computer with a webcam. A reliable means that a good computer with a minimum 2 megapixel of camera, a wired headset with mic. There is not mentioned a mic. Okay, and a strong internet connection with at least 50 mbps of internet connection. Download and run the on-view software on your computer. If you want to appear in the exam, then you have to download the on-view software on your computer to appear the exam. The test taker should complete a system check via PT Academic Online web page before deciding to schedule a test. It means that before you going to book the test, you have to check your system via PT Academic Online web page. They will check your system and give you authority to give the exam on the same system on your scheduled date. Now, making the right testing choice. In most cases, the test center versions of PT Academic will be the most appropriate as it is the most widely recognized. It provides a controlled environment which reduces stress for the test takers. It means This test is widely recognized. It provides a controlled environment which reduces stress for the test takers. If a test taker chooses to take PTE Academic online, they must ensure that institution recognizes PTE Academic online. Means that if you are going to take this exam in an institute, then you have to check the recognition of PTE Academic online. If they are recognized with PTE Academic online, then you have rights. Then you are able to give the exam in a same institute. Check they have right equipment. Means that they have right equipment means a good connectivity of internet, wired headset, webcam, or they have right environment. Means that a well equipped environment means that a quite polite environment, quite silent environment means a private room. The PTE Academic test online fee is the same as PTE Academic prices. What are the booking and taking a test steps? Booking are made by creating my PTE account on the PTE Academic online web page. If you want to book the exam, then you have to make an account on PTE Academic online web page. Tests can be scheduled up to 24 hours in advance. If you want to schedule the test, then you have to book the slot before 24 hours. What happens after a test is booked? Booking confirmation email is received and the test appointment appears in the my PTE. Means that after booking you will get a mail of the PTE online exam, and the appointment will be appear in your my PTE account. What do test takers do on test day? Before testing, you have to log in and find the appointment on the dashboard before 30 minutes to appointment time, and download the OnView testing software and launch the application to start check-in process. There is some check-in process, so you have to start it before launching the application. Means that you have 15 minutes to launch this application and check your check-in process. What is check-in process? What will be the steps in check-in process? There are a number of steps in the check-in process. A system check, ID check. Test takers are asked to take a number of photos. Your system will be checked. ID check. Test takers are asked to take a number of photos. Means that you have to take a number of photos or selfie. The government ID issued ID. The surroundings, their surroundings will be checked. Is there any person available, or is there any kind of noise happening? This will be checked. They are then required to wait up 15 minutes while the grader checks their submitted information photos. They are admitted and can begin their test. After all, you will be admitted and start your test. In the next slide, while testing, the test taker must follow testing rules, which include there is no breaks, no standing or leaving during the test, remove smartwatch or other equipments like laptop, desktop or another item. Personal items must be out of reach. No other people can enter the testing space while the test is taken. What technical support is available for test takers during the test? If you are enrolling in a test, in between your test you have a chat box for your support. If you are facing any kind of issue, then you have to write on chat box. They will get you a support. What happens if the internet fails, drops during a test? If this occurs, the exam time stops. If the internet connectivity will be dropped, then the exam time will be stopped. Candidate can fix their internet connection or technical issue, then restart their testing session. They have chance to get enroll back. If you fixed your internet connection technical issues, then you have an option to restart the testing session. So it's good for us. What kind of score report you will get by PTE Academic Online? Some return time frame is the same as test completed at centers, typically 2 days. Means that as you appear in test centers, you will get 2 days, you will get score reports in 2 days. There is the same time duration. Score reports will indicate that test was completed online remotely. It means that this test will be clearly mentioned in your score test. Is score is only based on PTE Academic Online. There is clearly mentioned. Institutions will be able to verify scores with a candidate score report code via the SRW. Thank you. We hope you all are having knowledge of all changes and launches of the PTE Academic Online. Contact us for more information.